old cemetery. It's huge. This is only a little part of it. Lovejoy. 2003, 2001. Yep. It's 2024 right now. So that's old. Old. The funny thing is, I like coming here. 1918. But I don't want to be buried in a cemetery. I just want to be cremated. These look a little newer. These, you can see two of them anyway. They're separating certain areas for family. What's the date on these? 1920. Yeah, maybe I should go over here to some of these other ones. A couple of squirrels running around. They've been eating nuts. This is huge. Look at these. $18.88, wow. 1890. This one lived to be 75, this one only 33. That one I can't read very well. Died 1880. Died 1870 or 90? I'm not sure. Or 80? I'm not sure what it says. Yeah, this is amazing. I don't find these spooky at all. I find them, it's nice to come to the cemetery. It's nice and calm. The wind's rustling in the leaves. That sounds really pretty. Oh, I just felt a drop of rain. I wanted to look at this one. Oh, 1900. Born in 1816. Is that what that says? Wow. Yep, a couple of drops of rain. Oh my God. 1871. Wow. Margaret Carnes. And I'm inside of a family little grouping. You can see like a little fence around it, kind of. Holy cow. Let's see if these are... Oh, you can't really read anything except for M-A-R-Y. Mary and Frank. It's funny, Frank was my grandfather's name, and Mary is an aunt's name. Okay, since it's starting to rain, I better go back. Oh, this person wasn't very old. 1848 to 1886. All right. I hope you have a fabulous day, whatever you're doing.